Hi everyone. Here's a delicious snack recipe you can enjoy anytime. Let's start with 3 boiled eggs. Finely chopped 1 onion about 100 grams. Finely chopped 3 garlic cloves. 2 green chilies finely chopped. Finely chopped 1 small sized capsicum about 30 grams. And 80 grams of roasted breadcrumbs.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil, green chili, garlic, onion, now saute for 3 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon red chilli sauce and half teaspoon green chilli sauce. Now we'll cook for 5 minutes on low flame. And now we'll add capsicum, half teaspoon tomato sauce, half teaspoon Schezwan Chutney. Now cook for a minute on low flame. Now turn off the flame and let it cool. Once it cools down, transfer it into a bowl. Now we'll add boiled eggs, and mash the eggs well using a fork. Keep it aside once done. Now to make a thick paste, we'll take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, add a little water, make a thick paste, and keep it aside. Now we'll crack open 1 egg, add a pinch of salt and whisk the egg. Keep it aside. Now take a sliced bread and neatly cut away the edges. And keep the crusts aside. Now use a rolling pin to flatten the bread. Now apply the flour paste at one side of the edge and fold it into a cone shape and press the edges to seal. Fill the cone with a spoonful of egg filling. And seal the open edge with flour paste and press firmly. Flatten the bread. For pockets, add a spoonful of egg filling to the center. Apply flour paste at the edge. Fold in half and press edges to seal. Now dip each samosa or pockets in egg, ensuring it's fully coated. Now coat it with breadcrumbs. Now take a pan and heat oil for shallow frying. Carefully drop samosas and pockets one by one and fry until it's golden brown and crispy. And our delicious egg samosa pockets are ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!